bird dog movement where you have your knees underneath your hips, so not tucked in, but your knees underneath your hips. Your middle fingers are parallel to each other and your wrists are right underneath your shoulders. And I'd like you to really press the toes, the shin, the knee, and the opposite palm into the ground. So with your palm, I'm thinking about the heel of your hand, the base of your knuckles, and your fingertips. And then just slide the opposite side back and forth with recruitment of your low belly pulling into your low back. So on the exhale, move out and move back. And if that feels manageable, you can lift them simultaneously and then come back down and return, as opposed to kicking up a leg and then trying to get your balance and lift your arm. So extend your base of support and then lift, really drawing in a girdling action, and then return down. And if you'd like, you can alternate. Doesn't matter how high you get to. It just matters that you challenge this core section that's not in a bony cage. We're trying to build a muscular cage. So your pelvis is a bony cage, your rib cage is a bony cage, but we don't have a bony cage here so that we can move. But I want you to build a muscular cage, and that will help with posture, and it will help with